Oh, yeah, that's the one right there. That's the one, guys. Oh, God. Oh, man. Y'all see that? Pulled it right off the doggone. Doggone it. That was a good one, too. Doggone it. That was a good one. All right, welcome back to Get Out the House Go Fish. Today, launching from another new location. Got a nice boat ramp. Also, there is a actually fishing pier right there behind me. So I just walked out on it. Seems pretty nice. Nice restrooms, nice area for parking, and if you're coming out here picnicking, just doing some land fishing, actually some benches to sit on. So definitely has a path to walk on, and bike racks. Very clean boat ramp. So anyway, today I'm just launching the kayak, and right now it's raining. It's supposed to rain till about 9 or 10. It's 9 o'clock right now. I'm waiting for this rain to slack off. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and launch the kayak, get out in the water, and stopped off at Brown's Fish Camp. Got some fiddlers. They just got some fiddlers yesterday, so let's get out there, and hopefully I don't get too wet out there. Whew. I had to go back to the truck. It was raining. It started raining a little bit harder. Waited for about 30 minutes in the truck for this rain to quit, and so now I'm just now getting on the water. Let's see here. We're gonna start working our way down to these docks and these rocks and this other structure, and we'll see what we can get on today. All right, let's see here. Let's check out these fiddlers. They look pretty good. Look at this big old claw on this guy right here. Let's go. This is going to be the first guy right here. Number 1. First guy going in. Big old claw. Oh yeah. Let's see what we can do today. Gotcha. Oh, I felt that bump. I felt that bump. Come on. Don't come off. Don't come off. Don't come off. It's a drum. It's a drum. Come on. Right in there. Oh, yeah. That's a drum right there. All right. First fish is the drum. Oh, man, do I have my... I'm looking for my doggone fish grips. Did I bring my fish grips today? Oh, don't tell me that. Got them. I got the fish grips. Oh, yeah. All right. Let's see how big he is. See if he's a keeper. I'm pretty sure he's a keeper. Let's put him on the board. See what we got here. He is, oh yeah, 17 and a half. 17 and a half. Well, once I pinch that tail, that black drum hit it, and I felt like that thump. So he hit it pretty good. Wasn't like a sheepshead bite. All right, let's see what this guy has in here. There you go. There you go. Make it up for it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Come on. Get the net. Get in there. There you go. All right. This is definitely a smaller keeper. Ooh. Almost 13. That's a good one. That's a good one. Damn, that's a good one. Come on. All right. Whew. All right. That's what we're talking about. What's this? Another drum? Another drum. Oh, yeah. Come on. Here we go. What's that? Let's see how big he is. All right. Let's see. Pinching the tail. It's 16. All right. 16. 16. We got us a nice dinner right now. 2 drum and a sheep. All right. Let's see what else we can do. I'd like to get one more. One more to take home. Making it even number. Even number. Make them even numbers. Oh man, something's messing with it down there though. Something's down there. All right, here we go. Got the claw. Here we go. Let's see what we can get here. Maybe they'll like that claw. Oh yeah, he liked that claw. He already hit it. He hit it on the way down. He hit it on the way down. Let me see. Oh. Come on. Come on. Man. Let's go. Feeding the fish here. Oh, I got that. I don't know. I don't think that's a sheephead. The way they hit it, it's really weird. A weird bite. A very weird bite. Something's in here feeding. Got you that time, buddy. Oh, you ain't going nowhere that time. What? Not that time, buddy. Oh, it is a sheepy. It is a sheepy. I think it's too small of a sheepy, but it's definitely a sheepy. Let's see. We're gonna see. We're gonna find out if it's legal. 11 and a half. Too small. Oh yeah. Get out of the house, go fish. Here we go. Now let's see if there's possibly one more other one down there. He's pretty small to be alone. Drop it down to the bottom. It's dropping, it's dropping, it's dropping. And okay, it's at the bottom. They're pretty quick sometimes to get it. Oh, I got him that time. Yeah, I got him that time. Yeah, I got him. This one's a better one. Get in there. That's a keeper right there. That, my friend, is a keeper. He's pissed off. Sorry, dude. But your dinner. Oh my god. Flossing his teeth here. Oh my gosh. Doing a little bit of flossing. When's the last time you flossed, buddy? Let's see. Let's get that jig out. I know that don't feel good. Let's see here. What we got here? That's what I'm talking about. Yes, that is a keeper. 15, over 15, a little over 15. A little over 15. Look at them teeth. Look at those teeth. What's up, my man? We done for the day. That's it. We are done for the day. All right, so it's been a good time out here catching drum and sheepshead. And like I said, this is my first time here to this location, and I'll definitely be back. Looks like a prime location for sheepshead. So anyway, all right, hope y'all enjoyed it. And if y'all hadn't yet, y'all know the drill. Be sure to hit that thumbs up, and also click that bell to be notified of any new videos. All right, let me put this guy on the stringer, and then we're gonna head back to the boat ramp. Get in your mouth. Open the mouth. There you go. There you go, buddy. There you go. Open your mouth. Gotcha. There he goes. Got him. Just like that. This is a small one though. This is a small one. Check out this new waterproof case that KastKing just came out with recently. You can buy this online, either from their website or Amazon. It's sealed too. It's a water seal case, and I put all my sheepshead jigs in there. I put all my sheepshead jigs in there. Check that out. I really like that case. Like I said, once again, it is waterproof. So very nice case. And when you order it, it comes with two. Check them out.
Fish Right Lures.
Fish Right Lures.
Double curl.
You have a website?
Yes.
What's the website? FishRightLures.com?
FishRightLures.com.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or
Facebook.
We're going to try them out. He says they're great for trout.
Yes,
so
yes,
check them out. All right?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
That's right.
All right. I'll put you in the video, man.
Hey, I appreciate
All right.
it.
Oh, you're welcome.